In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Terms and Conditions checkbox to your Shopify checkout. This is a great way to ensure that your customers agree to your store policies before completing their purchase, helping to protect your business and set clear expectations. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the Apps section in your Shopify admin panel. When you're signed into your Shopify account, look to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu with various options. Locate the one labeled Apps and click on it. This section is where you can manage all of your existing Shopify apps and find new ones to add to your store. Once you click on Apps, you'll notice a search bar or a feature that allows you to explore additional apps. Next, to find the app we need, simply type our terms and conditions into the search bar. It's important to use this specific app as it's known for its simplicity and effectiveness in adding a terms and conditions checkbox to your checkout process. Once you've entered the search criteria, hit search and results will appear. Locate the Our Terms and Conditions app in the list and click on it when you find it. You'll see an option to install the app. Go ahead and click on the Install button. A series of prompts may appear, guiding you through the installation process, which typically involves granting permissions to allow the app access to your Shopify store. Rest assured, this is a standard procedure needed for the app to function correctly. Once the installation is complete, the app will open within your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you can customize the terms and conditions text that you want your customers to read and agree to. Start by entering your specific terms in the provided text field. It's a good practice to include all policies relevant to your store, such as return policies, privacy statements, or any other conditions that you want to make explicit to your customers. After entering your terms and conditions text and reviewing it to ensure everything is correctly and comprehensively stated, go ahead and click the Save button. This action will finalize your changes, and your terms and conditions checkbox will now be active and visible on your Shopify checkout page. Customers will need to check this box, acknowledging they agree to your store's terms before they can proceed with their purchase. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add a Terms and Conditions checkbox to your Shopify checkout. It's an essential step to enhance customer communication and protect your business interests. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.